Hey guys, here we are again back for another DQ. This is topic 3 DQ1, new and improved. Okay, so as always, let's check out our goals and instructions. All right, we want to enter some complicated future value formulas in Excel. It says make sure your parentheses are correct. We're looking at a single investment with a simple interest, a single investment with a compound interest, and a periodic investment with compound interest. Okay, that's where we're headed. All right, so let's get started. First thing first, let's type in our name. All right, next thing, everybody. Our goal, our objective here in this particular DQ is to get the cell to turn green with gray rather with green lettering. Okay. So as you can see, all the values have been populated for you here. Just go ahead and type them in. All right. I am going to complete the third one. And I'm going to let you guys do the other two. Okay. So the third one, everybody, is a future value of an annuity. Okay. So in the future value of annuity, I have a payment. It's not a principal, it's a payment. And the payment is $72.57 in my example. Okay. The rate of interest, once again, in case you're not sure where I'm getting this from, everything is right here in my table. Okay, right there. So I'm taking this information, I'm putting it right down here in row 29. Okay, that's what I'm doing. All right, so let's keep going. My rate of interest is 0.0493. N is 12 because it's monthly, and the time in years in my example is 6. Now, these are not your numbers necessarily, everybody, so please enter your values carefully, okay? All right, now we're here in the future value formula. It says the future value is equal to P, which is my payment times, okay? So just everybody be sure you start with the equal sign, equals. Click on the cell where the payment, P is, and then I want the asterisk for multiplication. Then I want a double parentheses, okay? Then 1 plus R, just click on that cell, divided by, that's /N. All right, and close my parentheses. Once again, I'm going right along with the formula there in column G to the left, okay? So after I close the parentheses, after R divided by N, I raise it with a Shift 6, that's my caret key, open parentheses, and now I have N times T. All right, and once again, close my parentheses. Then my formula says subtract 1. So I subtract 1, and then I close parentheses. All right. Now, that is not the correct value. I just stopped for just a moment because why? All right. In my formula, I'm at the -1 and I close parentheses. Everybody see that? -1, I close parentheses. Now I need a /. All right. /, open parentheses. Now I need R divided by N once again. So R divided by N. And there I go. Okay, now I got to close it with parentheses and I am done. Okay, now hit enter and you can see my cell is now populated correctly. What does that tell me? That tells me if I make payments of $72.57 a month, every month for 6 years at a rate of 4.93% interest, I will at that point in time have $6,065.62 in my account. All right, now the question is, how much did I invest? The formula right there, everybody's given to you. The formula is PNT. That's the payment, right? You make a payment every month times the number of months per year. That's 12 times T, right? Times T, which is 6 years. So I make 72 payments, right? 72 payments of 72.57. gives me a total of $5,225.04. Now, the last question is, well, how much interest did I earn? Everybody. If I invested 52.2504, and if I now have $65.62, all right, so I have 6,000 something, I invested 5,000 something. The difference between those two is my interest, okay? So once again, equals my future value minus the amount that I put into the account. Hit enter, and I have $840.58. That's how much interest I made over a 6-year span for making those small monthly payments into an account that's called an annuity, okay? So my interest has been accumulated on interest, and I didn't do too badly, right? 840 bucks over 6 years. Not a bad deal. All right, I have done these 3, everybody. I want you to complete the other 2. Now, do remember this, okay, as we're checking out here. Remember, take these values, type them in the table, okay? Same thing up here. Take these values, type them in the table, right? Once you've done that, use the formulas right here, right? Start with equals, right here, start with the equals, put them in here. Your formula for interest earned is the same as I just did down below for you. Okay, guys? That is it for this discussion question. Thank you guys. Have fun in the forums. Thank you all for participating and working diligently. I'll check up with you guys later. Take care and have a great rest of your day. Bye.